If you love using the terminal but want a modern, fast, and minimal file manager, then Yazi is exactly what you need. Let me show you why. Yazi is a blazing fast terminal file manager written in Rust. Think of it like a modern replacement for tools like Ranger or NNN, but with a much smoother experience and useful previews. It's lightweight, customizable, and designed for people who love using the terminal efficiently. Installing Yazi is easy. On macOS, you can use Homebrew with brew install Yazi. On Linux, for example, Arch user can run sudo pacman-s Yazi. If your system is different like me, you can download binaries from the official GitHub page. Once installed, Yazi is ready to use. By the way, I am using Debian-based Linux, so I will go with Snap. In this case, I have already installed Yazi. That's why it is showing that Yazi is already installed. When you launch Yazi, you can navigate using Vim style keys. H to go back, L to open a folder, J and K to move up and down. The interface is a model, so you can quickly switch between selecting files and using commands. You can preview files directly in Yazi, whether it's a text, images, PDFs, or even archives, without opening another program. Need to find a file quickly? Press backward slash and start typing. Easy will highlight matches in a real time. You can also filter by file type, making it easy to locate exactly what you need.